In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check a trend line's angle in TradingView. This is an essential skill for traders who want to analyze price movements with precision, and I'll guide you through the process step by step, ensuring you fully understand the procedure. So let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to log into your TradingView account. Once you're logged in, navigate to your desired chart. Make sure it's the chart you want to analyze, as this is where we'll be using the trend angle tool. Take a moment to examine the chart and identify the key price movements that you are interested in, as this will help you choose the correct starting and ending points when we measure the angle. Now, locate your toolbar. It's situated on the left-hand side of the TradingView platform. In this toolbar, you'll find a variety of tools designed for chart analysis. What you're looking for is the Trend Angle tool, which is represented by a slanted line icon. Go ahead and click on the icon to select this tool. It's designed specifically for measuring the angle of price movements, making it an invaluable component of your analytical toolkit. With the Trend Angle tool selected, it's time to set your starting point. Identify the point on the price movement from which you want to start measuring the angle. Click once on this starting point. This step marks the beginning of your trend angle line. Now, holding down the left mouse button, drag diagonally to the end point that you wish to measure to. As you drag, pay attention to the chart to ensure you're capturing the entire movement accurately. Once you reach your chosen endpoint, release the mouse and click again to set the end of the line. Upon doing this, TradingView will automatically display the numerical angle in degrees right there on the chart, giving you an immediate readout of the angle you've measured. For those of you looking for even more precision, there's a neat trick you can use. By holding down the Shift key while you draw the line, you can snap the trend angle line to 45-degree increments. This is perfect if you want to ensure exact angles for consistent analysis across different charts or time frames. This simple yet effective shortcut can make a significant difference, especially when you need to align your analysis with precise standards. So there you have it. Now you know how to check a trend line's angle using the TradingView platform. It's a straightforward process that adds significant depth to your analytical capabilities. Mastery of this tool can greatly enhance your understanding of market trends, potentially leading to more informed trading decisions. Thank you for watching, and remember to subscribe for more insightful tips and tutorials.